How to buy Holozone token. So this token came under the symbol of HOLO. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. And go and engage with the community. As you can see, they have 7,000 followers. To be able to buy this token is available here in the screener, as you can see here, guys. This token, as you can see, it's increased by 32,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the market cap, they have $30 billion and the volume is $76 million. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean it's your investment, that's your investment in the safe place. I see that they have a good project. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token is under the Solana network. Now the best wallet for that is Phantom. Now open your Phantom wallet. And now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. And here just type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now in the provider, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information. And if you are ready to go, just click on swap here and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip page from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy HOLO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.